All right, guys, if you haven't seen the new ChatGPT Image 2.0 is insane. It is a fantastic way to edit images, to create mockups, to create social media content. So many use cases for your Etsy business, but I'm going to show you how to use it to benefit your business, but I'm also going to show you how to pair it with Canva if you're using Canva to take it to the next level. So we're going to take it from here to a whole nother level. So let's dive in and play with this a little bit so you can see the use cases. So the first and foremost is going to be good to help you create mock-up images. So we can do it. I already have, I mean, this is kind of already a mock-up, but you could just put in the file. Like if I just had, this is one of my shirts. If I just had the Fur Mama graphic and with not on a shirt already, you could have it do it on a shirt. Can you create a lifestyle mock-up of a woman wearing this shirt and make sure she is happy and smiling and has a dog with her in the scene? So here we go. We're going to hit enter. We need to make sure it's in thinking mode. I think it has to be in thinking mode. I always have it in thinking mode, which is the best to be able to give you the best output. So let's see what it gives us here. All right, here we go. Pretty awesome. I mean, this looks real. Like it doesn't look fake at all. Pretty wild. They did a really good job. They even like rolled up the sleeves like I had it styled. I mean, it looks legit. So, and the nice thing is you can continue to edit this just by telling it. So I could say, please show the background as some type of dog park with other dogs playing in the background. And so we can make that tweak to it. All right, here we go. It changed the background. There's dogs playing, and we could have changed other elements of it, but it did a really good job with exactly what I told it to do. I mean, this is pretty next level. Now, the other thing that you can use this for is for like social media or for like more of like ad type content. So let's just do some type of social media post. Rework this image for social media to feature the benefits and highlights of this shirt, make it very engaging, and make the graphic downloadable. All right, so let's just see what it does. I didn't give it a lot of information here, but you can definitely use it to add different like badges and feature and benefits and make it a more of like an advertising type image. All right, so here's the image that it generated with very little information. I mean, that's kind of not great how it overlays it. But one thing I probably should have done that you guys should do is include the link here of the listing. And then I will basically just tell it to do the advertisement based off this listing. Analyze this Etsy listing URL and create an engaging image for social media that shows the features and benefits of this product. All right, so we got that. Let's see what it does with more information, because I didn't give it any information. I basically just gave it the shirt and told it to create the image. So let's just see what it does now. All right, much better job. I mean, this looks really freaking good. So yeah, I would definitely do that as a best practice, and don't mess around with trying to do it any other way, because it pulled all the information from the listing, which I have all the features and benefits and variations and specs. So this is really, really good. All right, so now that we have it generating amazing images that we can use, the next thing that we can do is download this image or drag it over your desktop, and we can use Canva to take it to the next level. So of course we could continue to tell us like, okay, remove this, add this, or we just might want to do like simple stuff or change fonts or whatever the case may be. We may already have stuff in Canva that we want to do. So open a Canva file, and then we're going to drag this image on it. This canvas isn't the right size, but that doesn't matter. This is just a demo anyways. So then what we want to do is we want to hit edit, and then we want to do magic layers. So this is brand new feature that Canva rolled out. So this is going to make it more like Photoshop. So you're going to have a little bit more free reign and flexibility with editing stuff that's just a flat image where everything's included like this. So it's going to analyze it, and then we'll go to the next part of this. All right, so basically what it did was separate all this stuff out and made it layers. So we can remove different bits of this depending on what we want to do, or we can change it. I don't know what it did there. I'm gonna drag that out of the way. But like for instance, the dog, we can move around. Actually, there's another dog behind it, cut her arm off. Mostly for, I would say, for like text and different things like this. So like this is all editable now. So if I wanted to change the font or change like a letter or like a word, so it does a really good job with like text elements. But most of the elements you can move around. So this makes it really good. Also, if there's different, so like if I want to just change like one thing and make a couple of different variations of this and then just have the file as a template, you could use it for that as well. So pretty easy to use. I think it's a great upgrade as far as the Canva. So these two tools in conjunction with each other, I think is a really good asset for Etsy and for editing images and promo materials and all that stuff. So that's the quick run through of using these two together. Both are amazing tools and have come a long way. So I'm excited to see how you guys use these, and let me know if you have any questions below. And if you guys need more help with your Etsy shop, your Etsy business, there's a link below to the Etsy Games program, positive, motivational, fun community to come hang out, learn, and grow your business. And I also have a bunch of courses in here, including AI stuff. There's a bunch of AI automations in here to help you automate your business. Some of this stuff is really, really awesome. So lots of resources in here with the whole purpose to help you grow your business and get some real support from a real community. So hope to see you guys in there soon. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you.